Fire up your motorcycle and hook up the Sidecar. We're headed to the Ritz for a classic cognac cocktail that's boozy and sure to please your palate. I'm Riley.
And I'm Carl, and welcome to Alchemix Bar, where we'll show you how to improve your home bartending skills. What we got going on today, Riley?
I made us a Sidecar.
What's a sidecar?
It's a little thing that attaches to a motorcycle so another person can ride. Zoom, zoom. That was dumb.
You want to know what else is dumb?
What?
The history of this cocktail and like all other cocktails that no one knows where it exactly came from.
We still don't know where a lot of things come from today. And if it's not written down or if it's not put into the newspaper, how are they going to record it?
Well, right. No, I know. But it's just, you know, everyone always does these histories on cocktails. And it's just like, it's the same thing. No one really knows. And like, if the drink was made before the 1970s, it's got really hard to know exactly when, unless it was published in a book. Yeah, so
but
this
a
drink,
lot of times it'll be like, hey, this drink was first published in this book, but
right.
Where did it come from before that?
Right. And then it's also, there's so many variations of this cocktail. Like, what's the actual original version, you know?
Right.
I was just never a huge fan of, because it just, my palate 10 years ago is not what it is today.
Wasn't ready for it.
Wasn't ready for it. And then obviously, I had it with the normal triple sec, probably a lot less. And I wonder if I even had it with a sugar rim, because I probably thought that was stupid.
Of course you would.
Like, sugar rim, ugh, that's for sissies.
That's for daiquiris.
Yeah.
The blended drinks at Mexican restaurants.
Right.
Not the actual daiquiri.
I'm a real man. I like my bourbon and my spirits.
My bourbon.
No sugar. But yeah, so, you know, I definitely think this is a cocktail that I think it's not a lot of love in like restaurants or bars that we go to, at least.
I don't know if I've ever seen it on a menu.
Maybe Brazen once.
Maybe.
I mean, we don't go there quite enough to know, but yeah. I don't know. It just seems like it's a super easy cocktail to make.
Oh, that's a lie. They had it on at Hops and Rye for a minute.
Okay. But yeah, this is definitely a cocktail I think needs more love, and it seems like it's just going to be super excellent. What do you think?
I agree. I think we should all give it another try. All right, you ready to give it a try?
I am.
All right.
I've never had it with the dry curacao before. Oh, yeah.
That is pleasant.
Yeah. It's a lot more pleasant than other versions I used to drink.
How so?
Well, I probably didn't like these back then. That was many years ago. And I don't remember the last time we made one of these. We don't usually have cognac in the house, so that is probably the number one reason why we never made these.
Right.
And I just remember them being super boozy, but now it's a lot more balanced.
This isn't that boozy, and I think that dry curacao really takes out some of the burn.
Yeah.
But also, I was expecting it to be way too boozy and not sweet enough, but that sugar rim just adds just enough.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the cognac has a nice flavor profile to it. Mm-hmm. What I also learned from Uncle Pete's channel, he said that dry curacao is a cognac-based orange liqueur also.
Interesting.
So that's kind of why I also wanted to try these two together, because I thought they would kind of marry with each other pretty well. This is definitely good. We're definitely going to try the normal version with the normal triple sec. It's probably going to be a little bit more sweeter, obviously. But I really like this because we both like tart things.
Right.
So we like that sour notes on there.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to go check out our orange liqueur review that we did for margaritas, it's right over here. It was a fun time trying different orange liqueurs.
It really was. All right, so let us know in the comments if you've ever tried a Sidecar or what your favorite cognac is. We'd love to hear about it.
Awesome, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tink, tink.